Hundreds on my bed, sexing with the bill. Roses.
Hey guys, so you remember that wig that I reviewed for Donmilyhair.com, that pretty curly unit? Well, this is it about a week or two later. So here it is. I'm just putting it right back on my head. I didn't glue it down or anything like that. So to refresh those curls, all I did was put some water in a bottle and spray it down, as you guys see me here doing.
Bling bling song, yeah. I could do this all day long now. I don't know.
So with this here, I noticed that in order for me to redefine the curls, all I do is wet it and just wrap the curls around my finger, and they go right back to what they were when I first got the wig. So I haven't had any issues with the wig as far as shedding or tangling or anything like that. The hair is absolutely gorgeous, and I did not have to apply any type of heat to get my curls back.
When I'm on my own, can't stop thinking about my roomies. Please don't call.
So just to remind you guys, this is a wig that I made. This is a frontal that I use, and also I have about 2.5 bundles in the hair. So I got kind of tired of the way the hair looked as far as the side part, so I wanted to go ahead and do something a little drastic, which is cut the hair. I wanted some bangs, and I wanted the curls to just, you know, pop in my face and give me that, you know, Whitney Houston, Diana Ross type of look. I definitely wasn't going for Rick James, as I saw some video before and I couldn't stop laughing. They just kept saying this girl that cut her hair looked like Rick James, so I was trying not to get that look. You guys let me know down below in the comment section if you like what I did to this unit. As you can see, the wig is very versatile. You can do whatever. You can part it wherever. The parting space is amazing on this unit. But yeah, you guys, that's all I wanted to do, is just cut some bangs into it and cut the hair a little shorter just for the summer look. I don't know if you guys live in New York or wherever you live, but you guys, oh my God, for about 3 days it was about 90 something degrees and it was just way too hot. So I wanted a nice cool look, and yeah, that's what I came up with. So again, you guys, all of the information to this unit, or rather to the hair that I use, will be down below in the description box, so please be sure to check there. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also the notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. And again, let me know what you think about the unit once I cut it. And yeah, that's just about it. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Yeah, hundreds on my bed, sexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Hundreds on my bed, sexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody.